Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman with How To Video Channel. Today we're going to show you how to build a Woodsman or a Boy Scout railing using lashings. So here's our space. We need to first prepare this space. You can see here these steps kind of have a lot of dirt on them, and all of this needs to be cleaned off. In addition, all of the dirt is washing in to the stairwell, so we're probably going to have to put a little bit of a retaining wall there and then have our railing be in front of the retaining wall. So the first step is going to be to dig out all of this area. Now, one thing to note is that this railing is going to be a Woodsman railing, which is using tree limbs as the posts and the railing. So now we are going to dig out this area and then show you what it looks like. All right, so here we are. We've dug it out. We've prepped the space. You can see here the stairs are much more visible and neatly navigatable, etc. And here's our area that we are going to put this board. You can see I kind of dug it out. It's almost like a little ledge or a cliff. And so we are going to put a board here to hold back all of this dirt, soil, earth, whatever you want to call it, from washing into the stair area. And then once we do that, we will be able to start constructing the railing or the fence posts for the railing. So I'll show you the board coming up next. All right, so here we are. This is the board that we have put in here. It's quite long, so we needed to put two of them together. Fortunately, I already had a board of this length that I can use. The next thing we'll want to do is get the fence posts in, and then of course you'll want to treat this wood with some kind of a stain or preserver to help it last longer so it doesn't deteriorate or rot as quickly. And so we are going to put the fence posts in front of this board. That way, as the dirt pushes on it, the fence posts will also help serve to hold this in place. So coming up next, you will see the fence posts. Okay, here we are. The fence posts are in. This took a really long time. We have the posts 18 inches into the ground, and they stand about 4 feet above the ground. The railing will be at a height of about 3 feet. They are spaced 4 feet apart. And so now the next step is going to be to put the railing on. But before we do that, I need to show you what type of knot to use when you are lashing the railing. So here we go. We will show you how to tie the proper knot. It's called a clove hitch, coming up next. All right, so here we are. We're going to tie a clove hitch. You just wrap it around and make an X with your rope. So you can see here we've got an X, and then you're going to take this loose end and stick it underneath. So you're going to kind of have an X with a line through the top. And what this is as it gets more and more tension on it, the knot will become tighter and tighter. So you can see here, this is it. You pull it tight, and don't worry, just pull hard, and now you're ready to start lashing. All right, so here we are. We are going to start lashing, and really it's very simple. You just need to wrap the rope underneath and over again, and then around the top. So we're going to go just like this 4 times, each time pulling it really, really tight. So this is number 2, around the back side, up in front of the railing, and then around the back side of the top. Number 3, and then we're going to do this again one more time. So there we go. Pull it really tight each time. Make sure your rope doesn't get knotted up. Okay, there we go. Now we are going to frap. So this is what really makes it tight. We're going to do this twice, right around all of the strings, and then really pull. You can see it cinching down really hard. If you want, you can go another time depending on how much rope you have. Usually I use about 6 or 7 feet. Now we're going to go diagonal. So we'll do this 3 times, right around diagonally. So you can see there. Now here's the tricky part. To go the other way, we're going to go around the back side of the fence post and then come across the front. So we'll show you that again. So after you've finished your last diagonal, go around the back side of the fence post to the other side and then come across, making an X. So we'll do this 3 more times. That'll kind of help hold everything together even stronger. And then once you have that 3 times, we are going to frap again around to pull this even tighter together. So you can do this with all the rest of the rope that you have at least 3 times So make sure you have enough rope. And we'll finish all this off with a clove hitch. Make sure you tie it good and tight. And of course, if you have any extra rope, you can just cut it off or simply tuck it under. So tie up the hitch, pull it hard. You can see this is good and strong. And now we'll show you the finished product. All right, so here is the railing. It is completely finished. It is a Boy Scout Woodsman railing, all lashed together. Material cost is very cheap. You can see we've even stained the board. The stairs are going to be much easier navigated now without all that dirt on them, and there's also a handrail to help others. So I hope that you liked this video. Do so by clicking that like button below. In addition, please feel free to subscribe to the channel for more great videos like this, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.